We're at the staging area. Hey, Riles. All the parents dropping the kids off. All right. Hey, Tufts. Got your skis on already? We're a little early today because it was such a beautiful time. It only took us 36 minutes to get to here from our house. There's the hill. There's Sophie. Sophie, show me your teeth. Sophie lost her tooth, her first tooth this week.
Please move.
All right. Got her.
Yeah, watch where you're going.
Little tiny skis. Hey, Riley.
Skiing lessons from 9 to 3. You ready for skiing, Gabe? All right. Off we go. Dad's going to carry the little kids' skis. Off we go. Off to lessons. Lesson number 6, and the whole family is going to ski after the lessons.
We go on Dilly Dally Alley and Marshmallow.
Dilly Dally Alley and Marshmallow.
Yeah, children. Can we go on cat climbing?
There's Dad. Hey, Dad.
It's a beautiful day to ski.
It is beautiful.
Can we go on cat climbing? Can we go on cat climbing? Look, beach.
Where's Sophie?
Look, beach.
See her back there. Hey, Sophie.
Mommy.